You've been using the most powerful hair product in the world wrong your entire life. Not wrong as in a little off. Wrong as in you've been leaving money, attraction, and first impressions on the table every single day. This tiny blue jar? Barbers in 1950s Harlem used it. Old Hollywood actors swore by it. And right now, today, the most well-groomed men you'll ever meet still use it. And I'm going to show you 10 things you can do with it starting tonight. That will make people look at you differently. I'm holding the most interesting one until the end, because without the other 9, it won't make sense. Trick number 1, the sleek back. And this one alone has saved first dates. Here's what most guys don't know. Products labeled high shine pomade. You know what they're mostly made of? Petroleum jelly. The exact same thing as Vaseline. You're paying $25 for a rebranded $2 jar. Take a pea-sized amount, and I mean tiny. Warm it between your palms until it's almost invisible. Now work it through slightly damp hair. Comb straight back. What you get is control that lasts all day, shine that reads as intentional, and a style that says, I take myself seriously, without saying a word. The mistake? Using too much. Too much makes you look like you're leaking. A little makes you look like you know something others don't. Trick number 2, the frizz killer. Trick 2 is for every guy who has looked in the mirror after stepping outside and wanted to go straight back home. Frizz isn't a hair problem, it's a moisture problem. Your hair is thirsty, and it's trying to absorb humidity from the air. Vaseline creates a barrier. Rub a micro amount, less than you used in trick 1, between your fingertips. Lightly skim the surface of your hair. Just the outer layer. You're not coating your hair. You're sealing it. Humid day, under control. Beach in the morning, still sharp by afternoon. This is the trick guys who always look put together actually use. Trick number 3, the edge sculptor. This one is about what people notice before they even look at your eyes. Your edges, the hairline, the neckline, the temples. Unclean edges make a $50 haircut look like a $10 one. And most guys only get them cleaned up every 2 to 3 weeks at the barber shop. A tiny bit of Vaseline on a soft toothbrush gives you the ability to lay down and define edges yourself at home before any event. The Vaseline holds the hair in place and gives the clean definition that makes people think you just left the barber shop. Trick number 4, the brow frame. And this is where we start getting into the stuff most guys have never even considered. Your eyebrows frame your face. They communicate emotion before you say a word. Groomed brows make you look more defined, more structured, more attractive. Take the absolute smallest amount of Vaseline on a clean spoolie or fingertip. Brush up and outward. That's all. It holds the shape, adds a subtle sheen that catches light, makes your brows look intentional. Not bushy, not thin, precise. Here's the psychology. People don't consciously notice brows, but they notice faces that have structure. That he looks good, but I can't explain why. Half the time, it's this. Trick number 5, the beard line lock. The beard line lock. This one's for guys with facial hair. A beard that looks sharp has one thing in common with a haircut that looks sharp. Clean lines. Between barbershop visits, your beard line drifts. The jawline blurs. The cheek line creeps up. Suddenly your face loses its definition. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline exactly along the beard line you want to maintain. It acts as a guide and hold, so when you edge up at home, you follow the Vaseline line instead of guessing. This turns a $2 jar into a professional beard shaping tool. Same result, 0 extra cost. Trick number 6, the scalp treatment. And this one I want you to actually think about because it works on a level the other tricks don't. Dry scalp, flaking, that white dust on your collar that you hope nobody sees. This is a confidence destroyer, and most guys treat the symptom instead of the cause. At night, not in the morning. Massage a small amount of Vaseline into your scalp at the problem areas. Cover with a silk or satin cap if you have one. The petroleum jelly locks in whatever natural moisture your scalp has. By morning, the flaking is reduced. Over a week, the difference is significant. Trick number 7, the pompadour base. This one's for guys who want volume, guys who want height, the pompadour and quiff crowd. Most volume products dry out your hair over time. Sprays, waxes, clays. They pull moisture out to create that matte, Dry volume. Here's the alternative system. Apply the smallest amount of Vaseline as a base layer to damp hair. Blow dry while lifting upward at the roots. Then apply your regular volume product on top. What happens? The Vaseline underneath creates flexibility. Your style bends. It doesn't crack. Volume holds, but it moves naturally. This is why old-school barbers mixed petroleum jelly into their pomades. The science hasn't changed, just the packaging. Trick number 8, the curl definer. And if you have curly or wavy hair, this might be the one that changes how you see your hair. Curly hair needs 2 things, moisture and definition. Most products give you one. Vaseline, used correctly, gives you both. On soaking wet hair. This step only works on wet hair. Rake a very small amount of Vaseline through your curls, section by section, then scrunch upward. Do not touch while drying. What you get is curl clumping. Definition: shine without crunchiness. Guys with curly hair who fight it. They never look as good as guys who understand it and enhance it. Vaseline is part of understanding it. Trick number 9, the finishing gloss. You've styled your hair. Everything is in place, but something looks slightly dull, flat. The same look you always have. This is where guys either go for more product, wrong move, or they just accept it. Also wrong. Take a barely there amount of Vaseline. Press it between your palms until there's almost nothing visible. Lightly, just the surface of your hair. Smooth down the top layer. What this does is add a finishing gloss. The kind you see in editorial photos and think is lighting or professional products. It's not lighting. It's not a $40 serum. It's this. The finishing gloss is what separates a guy who looks fine from a guy who looks like he put real thought into how he shows up. Trick number 10, the identity system. The one I told you I was holding back. This isn't about Vaseline. Here's what I actually want you to understand. Every single trick in this video, you could replace Vaseline with any other product and get similar results. Pomade, wax, clay, oil. But you won't. Because every guy watching this who tries trick 2 and his hair looks better walking out into humidity, he's going to remember that. Every guy who uses trick 4 and someone says, "You look different today. Did you do something?" He's going to remember that. And here's the psychology behind why that matters. Attraction is not a single thing. It's not your hair. It's not your jaw. It's not your confidence. Attraction is accumulated signals. So here's what I want you to actually do after this video. I want you to pick one trick from this video, just one, and try it tomorrow morning. Not all 10. One. Because here's the truth about improvement. Most guys watch videos like this, think, "That's interesting," and go back to doing exactly what they were doing. The guys who actually change how they look and how others see them, they pick one thing, they try it, they see a result, and that result motivates the next thing. Start with the edges, or the frizz trick, or the brow trick. Then come back here and tell me in the comments what happened. The jar is $2. The result is priceless. Start there.